Memorable moment. When were you born? I was born on February 15. Where were you born? I was born in Meta. What was your first school? My first school was Santa Rosa Educational Institution in Bogotá, Colombia. When did you start school? Start school at 1986. I was 6 years old. When did you finish school? I finished school in 1998. What was your first job? My first job was as a business advisor. What did you want to be when you were 8 years old? I wanted to be a nurse. What was your favorite toy when you were a child? When I was a child, I liked to play with my dog Caiaphas. I did not have toys. Where did you live when you were 10 years old? When I was 10, I lived in a neighborhood of Calle Santa Rosa in Bogotá. What did you do on your last vacation? On my last vacation, I stayed at home with my children. What did you do on the weekend? On the weekend, I went to the cinema with my children. What was the most important event in your life last year? When I started studying Sena, it was as the graduation of my oldest daughter.